All right, Joe, you will open your cutter. This is going to take a while.
Oh my gosh.
On the back it says, Girl Wants to Dance with Susan Kirkland. Thank you. So your first song will be Random Song. Your second song, do you want Crushed By or Crushing On?
All right.
Which one? Crushed By or Crushing On? So their second song will be Crushed By. Crushed By. First song, DJ Spin It. Yeah, that was song one. Song number two. Let's go.
Ready, you guys?
I see flowers through the window. I don't know why they remind me of you. 'Cause your color was yellow. That's the song that we played when we moved. Said goodbye back in May. Thought by now I'd be safe. And it hits me right out the blue. Every face that I see, a reminder to me what I lost when I lost you. Baby,